My name is Loxman, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Google Analytics code to your GeneratePress WordPress website. Currently I have one simple website running up here, and then I haven't set up or connected Google Analytics to this particular WordPress website, and this is running on GeneratePress WordPress theme, and there's an easy way to add Google Analytics code to GeneratePress. So let me show you how you can do this. Before this, so just what we need to do is go to Google Analytics website, analytics.google.com, but you can Google search it and then look for the admin button over here. And what we are going to do is we are going to create a new property, and just so it says it's going to create a Google Analytics 4 property. That's the newer version of the Google Analytics tracking feature. So what I'll write is, I'll just write the website name and select the time zone here. Okay, so I'll just give my website's URL here. So here what you can do is you can create both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics property, or you can just create Universal Analytics property if you don't want the added feature of the Google Analytics 4. So in my case I'll just check on the Universal Analytics property only. So let's get started. So it says, choose the appropriate category here. So let me, which one should I choose here? Okay, and then tap on create to create your property, and then it should give us the code to supply in the analytics tab, in our website. So let's go back to our website, and then what we need to do is actually on any WordPress site, so you can go to theme editor, and then you can actually add the code to theme header in between the head tag like this, and then it will work as it should work. But when you update your theme or do something with the theme here, it might get erased or it might get disappeared. So what the better way with GeneratePress theme is, there's a tab called, there's a function called elements. As you can see here, you can activate from your theme options. So we'll go to elements and then create a new element saying hook, and I'll just copy paste the code here, and we'll choose where it is supposed to be executed. So in our case, so it should be inside the head tag. So there are several options here, you can choose accordingly, and that's it. Now let me, before I publish, what I want to do is I want to show you something. So there shouldn't be any Google Analytics code here. So there's no Google Analytics code. Let's say ztag dot, so there's nothing containing ztag.js or anything, so I'll just publish it. And then let's go, I forgot the display rules. Choose entire, so you can also choose the hook to be executed for particular pages, but since it's an analytics code, I'll choose to be executed on entire site. Update it. So let's go and refresh here. It should be somewhere. So this is the tag that was just added. That's the Google Analytics tag. So if I go back here and then go back to home, so let me just open this up with my phone here. And as you can see, I'm just currently opening this website on my phone, and you can see it's working. So we have just added our Google Analytics code from our analytics account to our WordPress website running GeneratePress theme by adding a hook element, and then we defined it to be hooked on the WordPress head part and on the entire site. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.